This is Fatih from wporigin.com. I am selling original WordPress themes and plugins on my website. Now I am gonna show you how I activate Smart Slider 3 Pro license when you placed your order. The first step is installing the plugin. And the last step is activating my license. Clicking the Go to Dashboard button and click the Activate button. As you can see, it's automatically redirect me to my account login. After I log in, as you can see, my license level is unlimited and it's lifetime. I activated more than 100 on website before. Click the activate button is complete the process. That's it. All is done. Have a good day.